If you are watching this video, because again, sometimes some of you guys might be listening, you might be listening to this on your way home in your car. But if for those of you who are at home watching this video, the image of the woman that's on your screen is a woman by the name of Nikki Jovino. Now, this woman, in this case, she falsely accused two students of, in this case, sexually assaulting her. And the reason why she did it is because she regretted that encounter, and the motive for why she lied is because she didn't want a potential boyfriend to lose interest in her. And then when people say believe all women, they expect you to believe that all women are innocent. Well, guess what? Human beings can lie. Last time I checked, men and women are human beings. Yes, we are. Men, women, they're human beings, and humans are capable of lying. So when the Me Too movement says believe all women, I kind of look at this and say this is dangerous. Well, now the woman who falsely accused two men of rape, apparently she tried to appeal to end your probation early, and the judge said no. Bravo, bravo to the officials who said nope, because that's what happens. People who tend to accuse, in this case, falsely accuse a person of rape, they don't get any punishment. For example, I've seen videos of men who've been falsely accused. Their lives are ruined, they lose their jobs, their reputations are destroyed. Meanwhile, their accusers, they get nothing. A slap on the wrist. I don't know if you guys watch Long Beach Griffey. He's a really funny YouTuber. I don't know if you consider him a comedian, but he does like 3 minute skits, 4 minute skits, 5 minute skits at best. But he did make a skit about false accusations, and it's spot on. It really is. I know you get it. It's a funny clip, sure. It's a funny skit. But again, even if it's funny, comedy has some truth to it, and it's also sad as well because these things do happen. Many people falsely accuse others of sexually assaulting someone or of rape, and what happens? They get nothing. The accuser, if it turns out, if they admit that they lied, or it turns out that, or they find out later that they did lie, they don't get anything. They don't get any form of punishment. But the person that they accuse, their lives are ruined. Well, this woman, I'm not. Is it even right to call her a woman? I'm gonna call her scum. Actually, no. That's actually a disrespect. I'm actually disrespecting scum. Trash. I'm gonna go with trash. This piece of trash. She messed up. She accused two men of rape, which was a complete lie. Ruined their careers, and now she's literally begging that they literally cut her probation short, and they said no. That's your punishment. That's what you get. And I say bravo to the officials. Bravo. It's rare for false accusers to get punished. So let this woman serve as an example to all you people out there, men and women. If you want to point the finger and me to someone based on a lie, let this be known. What could possibly happen to you if you decide to do that kind of nonsense? Well, let's read the story, shall we? Woman, and I'm actually no, I'm not gonna say woman. The title reads woman, but I'm gonna go with trash. Piece of trash who falsely accused two men of rape, denied early end to probation. A piece of trash, in this case a woman, in this case Nikki Jovino, a woman who admitted to falsely accusing two Sacred Heart University football players of rape, was denied an early end to probation. Superior Court Judge Tracy Lee Dayton denied former SHU student Nikki Jovino's request to cut her probation in half, citing the fact that Jovino previously agreed to the plea bargain that spared her a much longer jail sentence during her 2018 trial. Jovino faced 6 years in prison after she admitted to falsely accusing two football players. Thanks to a last-minute plea deal, however, Jovino spent less than a year in prison, followed by 3 years of probation, which she is halfway through. That's why you want to cut it short. Because you're halfway through your probation. And if you cut it short and if you literally cut it down by half, then your probation ends by the time you get that approved. So no, Mr. Vino, you are punished to 3 years of probation. You're not gonna get it cut short, sweetie. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, piece of trash, Jovino. You're not gonna get this cut short. You lied and you ruined the lives of two of your colleagues because you wanted to get another person, right? In this case, you lied because you didn't want to lose a potential boyfriend. Well, I'm hopefully that quote unquote potential boyfriend saw the red flags and says, I'm out. Hell with that, I'm out. Because God forbid I break this girl's heart or she breaks up with me or we get in a fight and then she me toos me as well. Again, if this guy, if the potential boyfriend saw this, hopefully the guy is not dating this chick. If he is, oh boy, man. But hopefully he is, and I'm pretty sure that guy's smart enough to dodge this bullet at least. Anyway, let's keep going. The Connecticut Post reported that Jovino wasn't present in the courtroom for the hearing and that her attorney, Ryan O'Neill, told the judge his client wanted to go home to Long Island after living in Richfield with relatives. Senior Assistant State Attorney Tatiana Messina opposed any probation reduction for Jovino. She argued that Jovino has not presented any proof that she underwent a mental health evaluation and treatment as required by her probation, the outlet reported. Jovino accused the two football players of sexual assault in 2016. After attending a party at a house near SHU, she claimed the two men pulled her into a bathroom in the basement and sexually assaulted her. I do not want to be in here. I do not want to do anything. My friends are waiting for me outside. Let me go outside. Jovino told police about the men. Both football players admitted they had sex with Jovino, but said it was consensual. A witness testified that Jovino said she wanted to have sex with the athletes. Police detectives also noted inconsistencies in Jovino's original statement. Police also reported that Jovino told them the two football players held her down and took turns in sexually assaulting her. During her trial, however, Jovino suddenly claimed she never told police she was sexually assaulted. It was an astounding claim to make based on her admission to falsely accusing the two men of sexual assault and what her lawyer had previously argued in court. Our defense is that these two young men did things to her that were sexual assault and were against the law. O'Neill told Superior Court Judge William Holden during the pre-trial hearing in March of 2018. She had a reasonable belief that she was speaking the truth about what she said occurred. On the witness stand, Assistant State Attorney Emily Trudeau asked Jovino, "You never told law enforcement you were sexually assaulted?" After then, 19-year-old made her claim. "No, I never said I was sexually assaulted," Jovino replied. But here's the kicker. Jovino reportedly made the false allegation in order to avoid losing a male friend whom she saw as a potential boyfriend. That is why she made that lie. But like I said, ladies and gentlemen, if you're one of those people who want to falsely accuse someone of rape, see this woman as an example. She got caught lying. She admitted that she lied, and then she served a prison sentence. Now, granted, it wasn't the sentence that I wanted, but think about that. Had she not done the plea bargain, she would have faced 6 years in prison. 6 years. Apparently, the whole thing happened in 2018. So apparently, the trial 6 years. By 2024, she would have been released from prison had she declared innocent. In this case, had she pleaded innocent to the charges of falsely accusing these two men. So I'm glad that this judge said, nope, we're not going to cut your probation. We're not going to give you anything that is going to make your life easier after what you did to those two innocent men. So to this piece of trash, Nikki Jovino, you deserve what you get. You do. You really do. You deserve that prison sentence, even though I think you should have gotten more. And you certainly do not deserve an early end to your probation. You lied. You literally ruined two men's lives because you regretted that encounter, even though you wanted to do it. You wanted that sexual encounter, but after you regretted it and you realized you could potentially lose a male friend who you wanted to be your boyfriend, you said, I have no problem accusing these two men of something they never did. So to Nikki Jovino, hopefully you're watching this and hopefully you realize that you are a piece of trash. Because that's what you are. You're not a woman. You're not a gal. You're not a girl. You're not even a lady. You are a piece of trash. And that's an insult to actual trash. But that's what you are. Okay? But let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think the judge made the right call in this instance? Do you think the judge was too harsh on her? Do you think she should have served a longer prison sentence? I think she should have. But again, that's what happens with a plea bargain. But Nikki Jovino, like I said, you deserve everything you get. Every bad thing, you deserve it because you didn't have a problem lying and ruining the lives of two young men. But if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, share this video. Now we'll see you guys in a bit to a little bit more of a, I wouldn't say harsh subject. Again, this video is a more controversial, but some of you guys might like it, so you're gonna have to stick around for that. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Stick around if you want to, and if you cannot, or if you do not, again, I respect that. Some of you guys are busy, some of you guys have other things to do. If you guys cannot stick around, I'll see you guys next time. But if you can stick around, I'll see you guys in a few minutes.